Tableau CRM for Financial Services Cloud in Salesforce gives us two domains that we want to measure within the retail banking sector of financial services. We want to understand our customer. We want to understand who they are, what they're buying, my activities with them, and the fees and charges that are associated with them. So let's take a quick look at what those metrics have to show us. The first that we see are the customers that we're currently serving. Who needs my attention? Who are my top customers? Customers by balance, customers by tenure. And what demographics do I serve? So I can understand how my customers are segmented, what buckets they belong in, what class of customer are they? Are they standard, silver, gold, and platinum? So filtering allows me to get a good understanding of who my customers are, what their attributes are, and even what their gender and location are. Going back to who needs my attention. So customers withdrawing money this year, less than 10,000. So I want to filter on this. I want to understand how we can help these individuals. And I want to reach out to this customer list. Going to my activities. So am I spending more time with high value or low value customers? If I look here, if less than 50,000, I'm spending about an even proportionate of time than between 50,000 and 250,000. And then I can look at how many of them are based upon the client retention activity. I'm seeing I'm spending a little bit more time, less than 50K. They might not know as much. They might be nervous. They might want my assistance more often. And I can get a list of those accounts below. And at the same time, what am I spending my time on? It seems like I'm spending my time primarily on emails and meetings. And I can get an understanding of the year and the week of those activities and what those activities are made up of. So very good way to understand by banker, by activity, by account, where my time is being spent. And lastly, when we want to understand our customers, what fees were charged. So we take a look at the number of fees charged, the total fee amount, the total amount reversed, and percent of fees reversed. So this is going to give us two great metrics right on top. Fees charged over time. So the number of fees charged and fee amount. So we get an understanding of those number of fees, and then this purple line is showing the sum of those fees. Again, on the right-hand side, we get to understand how many of the total fees were reversed and how many were kept the same. And here, lastly, fees by fee type. So if I want to take a look at, the additional check fees, it is now going to filter up here as well to reflect that fee type. So a lot of dynamic functionality happening in this dashboard that allows you as a consumer retail banker to take charge of the customers within your book of business.